Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm just getting back in and I don't know, I'm feeling melancholy because it's a bittersweet moment. And it's because the youngest is 16 today. And one part is like, my baby, And the other part is just like, okay, you don't want to damper his spirit because he's super excited. He is just bouncing around. His friends have done all types of little tribute slides and videos and things, and at that age, they think they can conquer the world. They are enthusiastic about the future. They haven't been hit with a lot of the adultish things that can come about, and just a part of life and developing into a young adult and adulthood. And it's just a part of you. It's like they're at that halfway point where they're not little kids anymore. They're not babies anymore. They're not even tweens anymore. And you don't know what the future holds. And for a mother of color, there's a little bit of concern. You just want, you have a little bit of apprehension about, what the future holds. And yeah, so he's just left. He's Ubered on off to go spend the rest of the day with his friends. And he just gave me the biggest, tightest hug, nearly knocked me over, expressing, that he loves me and he's going to be a big boy with all his big boy friends. And I'm here being a baby. And so I was just like, you know what, maybe some of my subbies has been there. And boy or girl, they know what it's like for the last of their herd to grow up, which is the inevitable. And yeah, you just feel like you're not losing your child, but you're losing like that innocent baby part. So I'm going to cheer myself up with what I always do, chocolate. And I was able to get the wine open. As I was saying, I'm just cheering myself up. I ordered Downton Abbey through my Google Play Store, and I'm going to watch it since I never made it to the movie theaters to watch it when it was out. I probably won't tackle Renee Zellweger's take on Judy Garland in her last days, because I'm a very big Judy Garland fan, and since I'm already feeling a little down, I won't go in it. I won't go there, but I will go visit the Crawleys at Downton Abbey. I got some of my German chocolate. I cracked open my first bottle of wine. Yay me! So I'll just have a little sip, watch a movie, and eat some chocolate. And, feel better about it. When I think back at 16, sometimes I'll be like, and it's not as simplified as you think it is. It's not as easy fix. You just have so much optimism, and again, just as it can be done. You just have this succeed way of thinking, and you haven't experienced those 100 no's yet, and those 101 obstacles yet that you have to maneuver around this and that, and you're pretty burnt out by the time you reach the goal to even enjoy it. And I think that's just the part that I'm concerned about. I do hope for all my children the walk is easier or less complicated, filled with a lot more joy. So yeah, I thought I'd come on. Sorry for the watery eyes, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only mom that has felt like that or even think about it, even though they might still have little ones. They think about this day. I probably won't be any better when the last two like really like leave and go off and go to school or do whatever adult pursuit that they're going to want to do from there. Um, how would I, how will I handle it? I know they gotta go. It's just, it don't make it any less painful. I think that's, you're happy for them, you want them to fly, but it does, that mother bear cub, it does hurt a little bit. All right, everyone, I hope you have a awesome Saturday and that your day is going really well. And if you have kids under 18 and under 16, don't be on this social media stuff chasing down a couple of dollars from Google ever so much that you miss the time to spend with them, because it comes and it goes very quickly. And when they get to be a little over 14, 15, they begin to really want to be around their friends and pursue their after school activities and their hobbies, and a little less and a little less and a little less time for you is there. So yeah, keep that in mind. Have a blessed day, everybody. Peace.